My biggest fear when I started my online shop was, what is the people going to say if I didn't make it? Anton here from Regis Bay. There's a lot of people, and I mean a lot of people, that know me, and now they see my face on these videos as well. So that was quite an embarrassing thought when I thought, what is going to happen if it doesn't work out? Now, that fear drive me to success. And that is the thing. Nobody started anything. One day they just get up and boom, it worked. You have to first walk and then run. So you need to follow the training, you need to follow the seminars, everything that you get. And you get taught how to become successful. And once you've done that, you will be successful. So don't let fear hold you back. Let fear drive you to do better. And if you want to know how fear transformed me to something very good as far as the online space is concerned, I'm Anton. Like I said, my number is on the screen at the bottom there. You just pop me a WhatsApp or you comment yes, and I will gladly share the information with you.